And there you go. We are just heading for that big market open at this point in time. And looks like we are in for a very muted start when you talk about the benchmark indices. Given the fact that we've seen rest of the globe actually bear the brunt of the tariff, for now you have Nifty that's holding on to 23,100 mark. You have the advanced decline ratio right now neck to neck, and you have Nifty Bank that is in the positive territory. Let's take a look at what the broader markets are doing at this point in time. And if you look at the broader markets, they are under pressure, just holding on to losses of about 0.5% or so, Nikunj.
Okay, it is not a bad start. It is not a bad start. There is more green on the screen. Thank you. Breadth is positive and the bank Nifty is positive. Now let's look at the collateral damage of Nasdaq. You know, psychologically Nasdaq goes down, we think that everything in IT should go down, and that may very well happen. The nervousness that, you know, what could be the future commentary when the guidance comes out in next 10-15 days from Infosys, TCS is something which will keep these stocks on the edge. More importantly, what about the mid-tier IT? You know, that's where I think this entire niche business, AI dominated businesses, all that will get chopped out. So selling is there. Pharma got lucky yesterday because of no tariff, but pharma is expensive. So at higher level, it will certainly run into resistance. So DVs, Dr. Reddy, all that is done. And some newsmakers, HDFC Bank and DMart, I like the numbers from DMart. Why? Because quarter-on-quarter growth is coming back. HDFC Bank, CASA sequentially is up, and it is also showing signs of bottoming out in terms of getting more credit back. So HDFC Bank could be the top draw, so to speak, in terms of whatever quarterly updates we've got.
Well, not just HDFC Bank, Avenue Supermart, UCO Bank, the numbers have been very strong, the quarterly updates that is, but you're not seeing much traction actually for Avenue. It's down about over 2% actually. UCO though is holding up 1.7%. This Bank of Baroda as well, there's a UBS upgrade which has come in there to a buy from the earlier neutral. The target price also has been up to 290 from the earlier 270. BOB holding up 2%. Also upgrading SBI to a neutral from the earlier sell. The target also has been raised to 840 from the earlier 760, just very marginally higher for SBI. Also, inline set of Q4 updates coming in for Bajaj Finance, and I think this stock should be cracking given that it's really been a one-way move up from I think the middle of last year for Bajaj Finance up until now. Now, not really seeing much of a meaningful reaction, but yeah, it's a fizzler really. Bajaj Finance just very marginally in the green as we speak right now at 8,600 thereabouts. Also, L&T Finance, Vedanta, Bandhan Bank, all these are very neutral sort of Q4 updates that you've seen. And then it's a weak set from RBL Bank, from Yes Bank. They have reported softer, quarterly updates. Vedanta lower by 3% right now. RBL flat, and Yes Bank is the other one which will come up for you on your screens next, given that the Q4 update was disappointing, just marginally soft for Yes Bank. For Mascot Dock, the government is looking to sell 4.83% stake via an OFS. The base size has been set at 2.83, green shoe option at 2%, floor price at 25.25 for Masgao, 6.25% lower for Masgao as we speak right now. That's where the stock is currently. But Kunal, what's it looking like? Will we manage to stay put with this resilience throughout today?
Let's see. I think the first a couple of minutes seems to be a bit more selling oriented across few large cap names. So we'll need to see the pattern extending throughout the entire day or not. In terms of opening trade, I would look at Jubilant Food, a stock which I think is on the verge of a breakout, specifically above the 50 and the 200 moving average.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.